Hey, what's going on, Eric? Yes, we rent houses.com here with another property. This is a three-bedroom, two full bath, 2809 Santa Fe, located right off of Ricestown Road. You can see the living room and a little sunroom off to the end. Here's your dining room with your kitchen, dishwasher. See another view of the kitchen with your refrigerator. Right off the kitchen is your backyard with a deck. Down here in the basement, as you can see, you kind of hang out down here. Storage space right here in the back. Also down here is a full bathroom. Again, three bedrooms, two full bath. Central air, dishwasher, washer, dryer. Um, so take a look upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. As you can see, wood flooring throughout. Make our way to the master bedroom. Nice and spacious. Nice closet space. And then right off your master bedroom is your second full bathroom. Very clean. Three bedrooms, two full baths, 2809 Santa Fe. If you're interested, give us a call, 443-380-0075.